In a world of economic uncertainty, one thing remains clear: money matters. The global economy is in a state of flux, and this has a direct impact on our daily lives. From rising living costs to job market instability, financial concerns are at the forefront of everyone's minds. It's not just about having enough money to get by, it's about securing a stable future in an unpredictable world. This is especially true for millennials, a generation facing unique financial challenges. Unlike previous generations, millennials are grappling with student loan debt, high housing costs, and a gig economy that often lacks stability and benefits. These financial pressures can feel overwhelming, but there are ways to navigate them. Amanda Rheaume, in her book Money is Everything: Personal Finance for the Brave New Economy, provides a roadmap for navigating these challenges. Her insights are drawn from personal experience and extensive research, making her advice both relatable and practical. Rheaume's book is a beacon of hope for those feeling lost in the financial maze. Rheaume argues that financial literacy is not a luxury, but a necessity. In today's complex financial landscape, understanding how money works is crucial. Financial literacy empowers individuals to make informed decisions, avoid common pitfalls, and build a secure financial future. It's about more than just balancing a checkbook. It's about understanding investments, credit, and long-term planning. She emphasizes the importance of taking control of your finances. This means creating a budget, tracking expenses, and setting financial goals. By taking these steps, individuals can gain a clearer picture of their financial situation and make proactive decisions to improve it. It's about taking charge and not letting financial stress dictate your life. This book is a practical guide for anyone feeling lost in the world of personal finance. It breaks down complex concepts into easy-to-understand language, making it accessible to everyone regardless of their financial background. Whether you're just starting out or looking to improve your financial situation, this book offers valuable insights and actionable advice. It's a call to action for millennials to ditch the financial anxiety and embrace a future of financial security. By following the steps outlined in the book, millennials can take control of their financial destiny. It's about building confidence and creating a plan that works for you. Financial security is within reach, and it starts with taking the first step. With clear explanations and actionable steps, Rheaume breaks down complex financial concepts into manageable pieces. She covers everything from budgeting and saving to investing and retirement planning. Each chapter is designed to build on the previous one, creating a comprehensive guide to financial success. It's like having a personal financial advisor at your fingertips. This book emphasizes that understanding your relationship with money is crucial. It's not just about the numbers, it's about your mindset and habits. Rheaume encourages readers to reflect on their financial behaviors and identify areas for improvement. By understanding why you spend the way you do, you can make more conscious choices and develop healthier financial habits. It encourages readers to examine their financial habits and beliefs. This self-awareness is the first step towards making positive changes. By recognizing and addressing negative patterns, you can start to build a more secure financial future. It's about being honest with yourself and taking responsibility for your financial well-being. By identifying spending triggers and financial goals, millennials can start making informed decisions about their money. Setting clear, achievable goals provides direction and motivation. It's about creating a roadmap to financial success and following it step by step. With the right tools and mindset, financial stability is not just a dream, but a reality within reach. Creating a budget is often seen as the dreaded B word of personal finance, but Rheaume reframes budgeting as a tool for empowerment, not restriction. She advocates for a proactive approach to managing money. This involves tracking income and expenses. Rheaume introduces the concept of conscious spending. This means aligning spending with values and priorities. By differentiating between needs and wants, millennials can make more intentional choices about their finances. The book provides practical tips for tracking spending. This can be as simple as using a spreadsheet or a budgeting app. The key is to find a system that works and stick with it. In today's gig economy, side hustles are no longer just a way to make extra cash. They have evolved into a vital component of financial planning for many individuals. They are becoming essential for achieving financial security. With the rising cost of living and economic uncertainties, relying on a single source of income is increasingly risky. Rheaume encourages millennials to explore different income streams, This generation, known for its adaptability and tech savviness, is particularly well positioned to take advantage of the gig economy. Diversifying your income can provide financial stability and open up new opportunities. It allows you to leverage your skills and passions in various ways, creating a more resilient financial future. The book explores various side hustle ideas. From freelancing to starting an online business, there are countless ways to supplement your income. These range from freelance work to online businesses. Each option comes with its own set of challenges and rewards, but the potential for growth is significant. Rayom emphasizes the importance of finding a side hustle that aligns with your skills and interests. This alignment not only makes the work more enjoyable but also increases the likelihood of success. Rayom provides tips for launching and growing a successful side hustle. These tips include practical advice on time management, resource allocation, and maintaining a work-life balance. This includes identifying your target market, setting realistic goals, and continuously evaluating your progress to make necessary adjustments. Marketing your services effectively is also crucial. Utilizing social media platforms, networking events, and other marketing strategies can significantly boost your visibility and client base. The key takeaway is that generating multiple income streams is crucial in today's economy. It not only provides financial security but also empowers you to achieve your financial goals and dreams. We live in a culture that encourages overspending. Rayom challenges readers to break free from this cycle. She advocates for mindful consumption. This means being aware of your spending habits and making conscious choices. The book offers practical tips for curbing impulse purchases. This includes waiting 24 hours before making a big purchase. It also encourages readers to consider the long-term cost of ownership, not just the immediate price tag. Rayom emphasizes the importance of distinguishing between needs and wants. She encourages readers to prioritize experiences over material possessions. By shifting your mindset, you can find greater satisfaction with less stuff. Section 5: The Savings Mindset. Building a Secure Financial Future. In this section we delve into the essential strategies and habits that can help you build a robust financial foundation. Saving money is not just about putting aside a few dollars here and there. It's about creating a consistent habit that becomes second nature over time. By making saving a regular part of your routine, you can gradually build a substantial financial cushion. It's about developing a mindset of financial security. This means being proactive about your finances, understanding where your money goes, and making informed decisions that align with your long-term goals. Rayom stresses the importance of building an emergency fund. An emergency fund acts as a financial safety net, providing peace of mind and security in times of unexpected financial strain. This provides a financial safety net for unexpected events. Whether it's a sudden car repair, medical emergency, or any unforeseen expense, having an emergency fund ensures that you're prepared and can handle these situations without derailing your financial plans. She recommends automating your savings. By setting up automatic transfers to your savings account, you remove the temptation to spend that money and make saving a seamless part of your financial routine. This makes it easier to consistently save money without even thinking about it. Automation helps you stay disciplined and ensures that your savings grow steadily over time. Even small amounts, when saved consistently, can add up over time. The power of compounding interest means that your savings can grow exponentially, turning modest contributions into significant sums. The book encourages readers to set financial goals. These goals provide direction and purpose, helping you stay focused and motivated on your savings journey. This could be anything from buying a house to retiring early. Setting clear, achievable goals gives you something to strive for and makes the process of saving more rewarding. Having clear goals makes it easier to stay motivated and on track with your savings plan. When you see progress towards your goals, it reinforces the positive habit of saving and encourages you to continue. Section 6. Investing Essentials. Growing your wealth for tomorrow. Investing can seem intimidating, especially for beginners. Rayom demystifies the world of investing. She breaks down complex concepts into simple terms. The book covers different investment options. These include stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. Rayom stresses the importance of diversifying investments. This helps mitigate risk. Rayom provides guidance on choosing the right investments. This is based on your risk tolerance and financial goals. She encourages readers to start investing early to take advantage of compound interest. Section 7. Credit Wisdom. Navigating the world of credit scores and reports. In today's digital age, understanding your credit score is crucial. Riom explains what a credit score is. She also discusses how it affects your financial life. A good credit score can save you money on loans and interest rates. The book provides tips for building and maintaining a good credit score. This includes paying bills on time. It also includes keeping credit card balances low. It also encourages readers to check their credit reports regularly for errors. Riom explains different types of credit. She discusses the responsible use of credit cards. She emphasizes the importance of avoiding unnecessary debt. Section 8. Conquering Debt. Strategies for Financial Freedom. Debt can be a major source of stress. Riom offers practical strategies for managing and eliminating debt. She emphasizes the importance of creating a realistic budget and sticking to it. The book covers different debt repayment methods. This includes the snowball method and the avalanche method. Riom encourages readers to explore options for consolidating or refinancing debt. She stresses that becoming debt-free requires discipline and commitment. However, the rewards of financial freedom are well worth the effort. Section 9. Money's Place: Finding Balance in a Money-Driven World. While money is undoubtedly important, it's not the be-all and end-all of life. Riom encourages readers to find a healthy balance between their financial goals and their overall well-being. She emphasizes that true wealth encompasses more than just money. This includes relationships, health, and purpose. The book encourages readers to define their own version of success. This goes beyond material possessions. It encompasses personal fulfillment and making a difference in the world. Ultimately, money is everything. Personal Finance for the Brave New Economy is more than just a personal finance book. It's a guide to living a more intentional and fulfilling life.